Hi, I want to show you a new generation of model SS3 from Ratchet. Simple product, great product, and really a nice design. Anyway, I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to use it on one of Ratchet's new Titan drain pans, so you get to see that as well. But this model SS3 float switch is used for auxiliary or safety drain pans. I can show you how it works. So you can see it's a small, narrow device, and I'm going to show you on the drain pan. Now these Titan drain pans, they have an angled lip to it, but really requires just a slight push and you straighten it out. And now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put the device right on the side wall of the drain pan, and it has a thumb screw right here. So now with one hand I'm going to do it. Tighten up that thumb screw, and as I tighten it, it's going to lock onto the side wall of this pan just like this. So it's a one-hand installation. Now the beauty of it is I'm going to go ahead and straighten out the pan a little bit like that, which is easy to do, and then with one finger I'm going to push the float switch down. So you can see the float now is sitting at the bottom of the pan. It's locked onto the side wall. So I'm locking it on, I'm pushing it down. I'll go ahead and wire it up after. And now the float is sitting right at the bottom of the pan. So on the old SS3, a lot of times guys would put it onto the side of the pan. They wouldn't put a screw in it, so they would use foil tape it onto the pan. And because it was held in with the nuts, they would never lower the float. So the float would sit up here, which means that whole pan would have to fill up with water before it would shut off. And then you gotta, it's a pain in the neck to go ahead and try to remove all that water. So here we're locking it on. One finger, we're pushing it down to go down to the bottom of the pan, whether it's a 2-inch pan, 1.5-inch pan, doesn't matter, go right down to the bottom. You wire it up and you walk away and you're done. Again, this is the new generation model SS3, and here shown on the Titan drain pan. Thank you.